Hello friends, I hope that you are keeping well by the great Almighty Allah. So now I am present a tutorial on VLAN. So what is VLAN? VLAN means virtual LAN. Okay, first of all we should design this network or implement VLAN. We have need for the design two switch, 8 PC. So first of all we have to configure the switch as a VLAN. So how can you configure this switch? Here we configure this switch uh, as a VLAN. Okay. Okay, there are two VLANs, VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. VLAN 1 is by default in containing the switch. So we have to provide VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. So how can we configure this VLAN 2 and 3? First of all, we have to write VLAN config t. First of all, VLAN and VLAN. Suppose VLAN 2 or here we build VLAN 2 or 3. Now we build VLAN 10 and 20. So VLAN 10. Okay, VLAN 10. Name marketing department, marketing VLAN 20. Make name sales. Okay, one is marketing department, another is sales department. So okay, we can see here a VLAN brief. Okay, marketing department VLAN 10, VLAN 20. So VLAN 10 is marketing and VLAN 20 is sales active, but we don't assign the interface for the VLAN. So now we assign the interface for the VLAN. How can it possible? Okay, now we can do PC. Okay, this is the VLAN is for VLAN 10, which is called marketing, and other PC is fine for sales. Okay. We assign the code for IT. Here we discuss IT and HR department. Although IT and HR department interface by the one switches, but we cannot by using the VLAN we cannot ping IT department, ping or share IT department to HR department, although it is linked with interface with one switch, but they cannot communicate with others for the roles. Okay. But IT department to IT department communicate is also okay, and HR department to HR department okay. This is the form. Okay. So how is possible? So first of all, this code is implement config key VLAN to name IT. Okay. Config VLAN 3 name HR. Okay. And interface int fast Ethernet 0 by 0 by 1 to int range. Final select range, so int range array and the int range fast Ethernet 1 to 2. Okay. Switch port access VLAN 2. Okay. int range fa 0/324. Okay. Switch port access VLAN 3. Okay, this is the technique for the port switch 1. According to, we have to select, we have to type this branch for this switch. This is the 1 2 1 1 2 3 and 4 interface 0 sorry 0 to 1 2 2 3 to 4 PC interface. So this way we can configure this switch by this way. So viewer, let's go real coding. Okay, this is the first switch 2. Okay, but we have to configure this switch port pipe is a trunk port mode. Okay, so okay, I am in FA 0/5. Okay, switch port mode. Switch port mode trunk TRU and trunk. Okay, this is the command as a trunking port. So communicate this switch by this rules and regulation. Virtual LAN. VLAN means virtual LAN. Although we are in a switch, but we should imagine we are staying in a LAN. So we have to. So there are a restriction to communicate with between the two departments as a privilege or as a priority based communication. So let's say go final ping this PC to or IT PC to HR department, but they don't communicate with others. So let's go how it is possible. First of all, okay, 1 is like 1. Okay, command prompt here in the thing. There are two types of network ID or IP or address for IT department and HR department. So we can try to ping the two departments between two departments. Okay, 192.168 dot 1 dot 1 dot HR department begin 11. So 11. destination whose unreachable. Although HR department is here. PC number 2. Okay, 11. Although it is interfaced by the one or same switch, but they don't communicate with others. Okay, I know ping from other switches IT. Okay, and this is the 3. Okay, they communicate to, IT to IT, and HR to HR communicate. So this is the barrier or restriction the two department or security between the two department and HR and IT. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So same department. 5, 6. Okay. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13. They don't communicate each other for the VLAN. Okay, thank you very much. If you any comments, so ask me and notify me. Please like my video and share, comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.